Quick update on the garden. This is tomatoes, of course. This is squash and zucchini. This is jalapenos. And you see that? That's the little sweet peppers that I like. Cilantro, because my brother makes an awesome salsa. This is corn, but it's just coming up really right now. This is cantaloupe. Again, it's just coming up. This is some funky squash my brother found. It's just coming up. Our pole beans are just really coming up. And this is pickler cukes. So that's our garden. I've got some flower seeds to put around. Haven't quite done it yet, but there we have it.